Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Ring Doorbell. So I got the box here right in front of me. For those of you who don't know, the Ring Doorbell is a modern doorbell you can attach to your door that includes a camera, a button, microphone, and speakers. So what you can do, like it's illustrated in this picture right here, talk to people in front of their door. If they ring the doorbell, you can get an alarm on your phone, check in who it is, you can even talk to them. And then it has some other really cool features like night vision, so it also works at night, and motion detection, so if something is happening in front of your door or someone is there, it will start recording. And it's really cool if you, for example, get like a package or something, you'll get a notification someone was in front of your front door, you can watch it, oh, it was the UPS guy or something like that. So when we open this up, we can see a few more of these features, so you can also connect it to Wi-Fi and stuff like that. The thing itself also comes with different colored cases in case you have like a black or brown door and you don't want the silver setting it off, so you can apply that case to look better. Now on the back side, we just got some more features listed, two-way communication and all of that stuff. On the sides, we got information too, upside down. Okay, let's open this thing up. So to open it up, you just have to slide it out of the main thing. If it wants to come out, here we go. So right here we'll be greeted by say hello to Ring. This is, I'm gonna guess, all the guides and stuff like that, yeah. So what's included here is you get a water scale, so you can check that when you install the Ring Doorbell that it's all even. And then you just get a bunch of instructional manuals, warranty, and you also get a sticker from Ring. Let's put this aside. Next up in the box we have, oh, that's not so good, mate, the thing already fell out. Well, next up we have cases. So like I said, if you have a different color door, you can just pop these on there and then it will look better on your door. Let's move these aside. Next up we have the tools you're probably gonna need. Just a normal screwdriver and a drill bit. I guess if you got a drill in your hole or something is not fitting with your previous setup. And then over here we got the prime piece, we got the Ring Doorbell itself. It's actually pretty lightweight, looks nice, has a good build quality feel to it. Like I feel like this thing wouldn't break too easily. And then below here we got this blue package, if it wants to come out. There we go. Which I think includes screws and stuff like that from the sound of it. Let's open this up. Yeah. So here are gonna be your connector pieces, it looks like, for the electronic part. And then what else do we have in there? Yeah, and then we have a few more tools. So I'm gonna guess you put this behind the door or something and connect it so you can control stuff. And here are your screws and mounting tools. And then I'll also be making a video showing you how to install it once I actually install it on my own front door. Just gotta find the time. But till then, thanks for watching and have an awesome day. I should fuck her in